Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add subtitles to videos using VN Video Editor application. So if you guys want to make your videos more engaging with subtitles, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can add subtitles to your videos easily using the VN app. So here you can start by clicking on this VN icon on your phone home screen to open the VN application. So once you open the VN, you can just tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner to start a new project and choose the videos that you want to edit. So here I'm going to find the video. So once you find the video that you want to edit, you can just tap on next. And in here, you'll see the timeline of VN. So if you want to add subtitle in here, you can see at the top, you can just tap in this options to add subtitle. Here there are two options. You can upload as RT files or subtitles that you've already prepared. You can just click on this and then upload it or import it into VN. Or you can also just go to text in here and then you can just choose the type of text subtitles. I'm going to just go for example subheading or this one's right here, and then you can just write the subtitles one by one. But if you want to make it easy, you can just use the auto captions feature on VN. So here you can just swipe at the toolbar here at the bottom. There will be this auto caption, so just tap on the auto captions and choose the conversion mode. Here you can try to use this tiny, faster but less precise base or cloud-based conversion. So this provides faster and more precise conversions, and your audio within 30 minutes will be uploaded to the cloud for conversion and then deleted. So I'm going to just use this one. And the language, you can choose to set it to auto detection or just choose a specific language. I'm going to go with English. And if you want to also translate it to another language, you can choose this ones right here, but I'm not going to. And you can also identify filler words and pauses. So filler words and pauses will be automatically detected and delete if you want to by enabling this, but I'm not going to. So I'm going to just tap on convert. Okay, let's try the conversion mode. Apparently you need to subscribe to the pro. Let's just use the tiny. Okay, now I can convert. So if you use the one that you need to upload to the cloud, you need to subscribe first into the VN Pro. So let's just wait until the captions are created. Okay, so now our captions has been created. If you want to edit, you can do it in here, but if you are done, you can just tap on done at the top. So this will be the result. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.